Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we are doing a review on Imagine AI art generator called Imagine Art. So it helps you to create AI art and turn your imaginations into reality with Imagine AI art generator, and it helps to produce stunning visuals to cover up your artistic text. Now you can see, you just type in what you want and click on create. It's as simple as that. You can see this, its achievements. It has a lot of AI tools to it. Let us look at what it has. Text to image. You can see it. Then click on generate. It has real-time generation. Witness your ideas blended with Imagine AI image generator as real-time generation lets you sketch and see your creation come to life before your eyes. Refine as you go for seamless experience. Then AI video generator. So you can ditch the filming crew as Imagine AI art creates HD videos instantly, converts crypto ideas into stunning 4K videos with just a few clicks. Forget time consuming filming, editing, acting, as the AI does it all in seconds. Idea 8. Imagine AI generator brings you ideas that empowers you to paint with an intelligent brush. Simply describe elements, watch them appear instantly, and refine your artwork for an intuitive creative experience. You can see. So try Idea 8. It also has a creative upscaler that helps you change your blurry to beautiful. Character consistency. You can maintain uniformity in your storytelling with character consistency, which ensures all generated images consistently reflect your characters, experience seamless and coherent visual narratives effortlessly. You can see it. It looks the same with wearing different outfits, so definitely your character is consistent here. So we have so many that have been done, beautiful work of art. You can get started with Imagine Art. You have the basic plan, the standard plan. You can pay monthly, quarterly, or yearly. You also have the professional plan, the limited plan. If you have questions, they can be answered here. You can easily launch the app by clicking here. You can email them at this email address. So you can also follow them on Discord. So what are you waiting for? Join the 1 million plus users creating art using Imagine AI art. So you can go further by downloading it on Google Play and App Store. It depends on the device you're using. So give it a try and let us know in the comment section.